Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen about the text widget in Tkinter. We saw how we can insert text details into the text widget, how we can delete the text from the text widget, and how we can get the text from the text widget by giving the start index and the end index. And in today's session, let's move ahead and see the various tag options available in the text widget. Where we had initially seen that a text widget is a multi-line area wherein we can add multiple lines. It's something different from the entry box. Entry box is restricted to a single line, but in text widget we can have multiple lines. And we can do formatting for particular section of the text in the text widget. So some part of the text I want to have it in red and some part of the text I want to have it in blue. So those particular formatting we can do in the text widget. So this is achieved by using the tag methods available in the text widget. So firstly we have tag underscore add. It's a method in the text widget and we have to specify the tag name and give the start index and the end index. Then we have something called tag underscore config, wherein we specify the tag name and various options we can specify. Like we want to have foreground color equal to red, background color equal to yellow. So those options we can specify over here. Then we have tag underscore delete and we have to specify the tag name and that particular tag name will get deleted. Then we have tag underscore remove, specify the tag name, start index, end index. So based on these particular index, the tag name, whatever options we have given, it will be removed from these particular index values. So now let's look into it practically. So from tkinter import star win equal to tk, that is the main tkinter screen. Now let me create my text called text1, which is a text widget. Place it in the main window. Height, let me give it as equal to 8 and wrap, I give it equal to word. So it does the wrapping based on word. So it does the word wrapping. Now let me pack my text onto the screen by saying text1.pack. And now let me insert some text into my text widget. So text1.insert. I'm giving the position as 1.0, that is the start position, and my text is, sorry, let me copy from the beginning. So this is the text I'm inserting in my text box. So this is the text I'm inserting into my text box. So text1.insert, I'm inserting some text at the starting from the starting position. Now let's give, I want to make some part of the text in red color and some part in blue color. So let me add tags for it so that we can do the formatting to those particular sections of the text. So text1 dot add underscore tag. Firstly, I have to give the tag name. Let me give it as first as the tag name, and my index value, let me select. I want to have the index value for apple to be in red. So this particular A is in the first position, 0th index, first, second. So it starts from third index. So first line, third index is apple, starting A, and it ends at 1.8. So A is at 1.3, P is at 1.4, another P is at 1.5, L is at 1.6, E is at 1.7. But we have to give 1.8 because it takes one less than 1.8, so it becomes 1.7. So firstly, I've added a tag. I've named the tag name as first, and I given the start index and the end index. Now let me add another tag called text1.add underscore tag. Let me give it as second as the tag name. Start position is 1.25, comma 1.31. That is for doctor. The start position for D is 1.25. End position is 1.30. So it takes one less. So I've given 1.31 over here. So first and second I've added the tags. Let me add another tag called tag1 text1 dot add tag. Let me give the same name called second for another tag, and its starting position is 1.11 and ending is 1.14. So I've added these particular tags. Now let me do configuration to these tags. So for this, let me say text1 dot tag underscore config. So for which one? For the first tag. So let me say for first, I want to have the foreground color equal to red. Equal to red. So for apple, I want the color to be in red. So first stands for apple because of the index values, whatever I've specified, apple gets selected. So for that, I'm having the foreground color equal to red. Now for the text1 dot tag underscore config, for the second tag, I want the foreground color to be blue. I want the foreground color, that is 1.25 to 1.31, that is doctor, and 1.11 to 1.14, that is day. I want it to be in blue color. So now when I run the code, so it should be tag underscore add. Should be tag underscore add. So now when I run the code, let me run it once again. So my apple has appeared in red color, that is the first, because I've configured it with foreground color equal to red. And for the second tag name, I've given the foreground color is blue. So day and doctor both appear in blue color. So different sections of the text can be formatted differently in the text widget by using the tag concept. And now there are some other functions. So we have seen two functions, that is tag underscore add and tag underscore config. Now let me say tag underscore remove. So let me say text1 dot tag underscore remove. I have to specify the tag name. So second, and I want to remove day which is appearing in blue. I want to remove the tag for that particular word. For day I want to remove the tag. So I have to give 1.11 comma 1.14 because day starts from 1.11 index and ends at 1.14. So the second tag which was appearing for day, I am removing it over here. So it will appear as a normal text and the blue color will be removed from the day word. So now when I run the code, let me close it. The previous session, let me close it. Now when I run the code, the day which was previously appearing in blue has been removed. So it appears as the normal text. This is the functionality of tag underscore remove. Now let us see tag underscore delete. For this I have to specify the tag name. The tag itself will be deleted. So day and doctor no longer will have tag because I have deleted the second tag. So day and doctor will not be in blue color because I've deleted this particular tag, that is the second tag. So now when I run the code, day and doctor, the blue color has been removed. So because the tag has been deleted, so wherever second tag was in blue has been deleted, so we no longer have it in blue color. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. The various options, that tag underscore add, we give a tag name, start index, end index, and that tag name we add it to the config and give various options. We can make the text bold or italic or underline or change the font size or change the font type. All those configuration we can do based on the tag name. Then we have tag underscore delete. So whatever uh, configuration we would have given to the tag name, it will get deleted. Tag underscore remove, only for this particular index values the tag name will get removed. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. Tag underscore add, tag underscore config, tag underscore delete and tag underscore remove. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.